How to enable Apple Cash. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to enable Apple Cash. In order to enable Apple Cash, you just need to follow the steps. First of all, you want to open up your settings, and next what you have to do is from the settings, you want to locate the settings, you want to scroll down and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. After you do it so, you want to toggle the button, or you just want to switch the button on for the Apple Cash positions. As you do it so, then under the payment card section, you'll see add cash. Tap on it, then tap continue and follow the on-screen prompt and set up Apple Cash, which will likely involve signing into your Apple ID and authenticating with your preferred method. So once you've completed the steps, you'll have successfully enabled Apple Cash. You're all set to do. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.